Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use one iCloud on two iPhones so you can keep all your photos, files, and settings synced across both devices. Now, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where all your device's key settings are located. Next, tap on your Apple ID banner at the top of the Settings menu. This is where you manage your Apple account and iCloud settings. Then, on the second iPhone, sign in with the same Apple ID you use on your first device. This will link both phones to the same iCloud account. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to the same iCloud data, like photos, files, and settings, across both iPhones. This makes it easy to keep everything synchronized. If you only want to access your iCloud Drive files on the second device without signing into the full Apple ID, open Safari or any web browser on that device. Go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. From there, you can view and manage your photos, files, and other iCloud data directly through the browser without changing any device settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.